Hi there everyone, welcome back to Infinity Drones. Today I'm extremely excited to show you guys what has recently happened on this channel. It's the first time ever that a third party has contacted me and asked and sent me actually something to review. So I've never had this happen before, and I thought it was a joke at first, and they sent me the item, asked for my address, and then sure enough, guess what sent through? And the company is Freewell. So Freewell, thank you very much for sending me these folders to review. Let's just see what you guys sent me. Very excited. Oh wow, got an all-day pack for the Mini 3, like an ND4, ND8, ND16, 32, 64, and even a 1000. So that's going to be pretty great. I'm pretty interested to see how the ND1000 can do some motion blur pictures. So definitely going to take and do a review on that for sure. And then the other one I'm very excited about is the DJI Avatar one. This is something that I did not expect at all because this is pretty brand new on the market, and this is a Freewell Standard day pack. As you can see, a ND8, 16, 32, and 64. Really, the chances of you ever needing more than this is highly unlikely, specifically because the DJI Avatar is mainly a video tool. It's not really a picture tool. Where with the Mini 3, you have that ND64 and an ND1000, which is mainly going to be used probably for pictures. You want to get some motion blur in your pictures. So this is very exciting. I've got to say thank you very much Freewell for sending me these. I will do a thorough test on them and get back to you guys with a good review. But for now, I'm just going to quickly see if I can do a little unboxing and see how these filters look like and how actually they work. So let me just quickly open this up. Don't want to damage the packaging too much because my goodness, they did send it to me for free. I'm very pleased with that. Take it all the way open. Pretty cool packaging, I've got to admit. It feels high quality. That's the first thing you want to know when you purchase something is, did the company take pride in their product? And in this case, you can feel the box is a decent quality. It's not one of those little cardboard ones. You get a nice little Freewell little packaging there. I'm just going to open that up and see what that is. Oh, wow, a little cloth in there as well. So a little sticker, which is fantastically cool. And then you have your little microfiber cloth as well. So what I really like though is they tell you what the basics are. Now if you guys can't see, take a look at this. Is what is ISO? What is shutter? So if you need advice, you can just scan that little barcode over there and it's going to give you all the information that you require. So my focus isn't very good on this little camera, but as you guys can see, this is something very cool that no other company is really doing because they're explaining what it is. And a lot of new guys, they have no idea what aperture is and what ISO is and the relationship thereof. So a fantastic little tool that you can see over here, which I really do appreciate. Taking a look at the filters, you can see that they really spent their time packaging it. This is a very nice little solid case that you can work with and easily opens and easily closes. And something nice is, take a look at these filters. They aren't going anywhere. This little box is a very nice foam. It looks plastic, but it's not. It's actually very nice hard foam quality in there. So from my side, I've got to say, this is a fantastic packaging, and this is what I'm going to keep it in. I'm just going to put this straight in my bag and have it with my DJI Avatar whenever I want to go fly. So thank you very much there, Freewell. Really appreciate that. Let's just jump over to the Mini 3 filters and just take a look at how they work, because as far as I know, the Mini 3 one will most likely function different than what the Avatar one is going to, purely because they fit differently onto the drone itself. So let me just open this up. Let's just pull this out of here. Ah, that doesn't work so well. Sorry, Freewell. I'm destroying your packaging over here. Just too excited to open the package, I guess. Okay, so with the same thing's going to apply with the Mini 3 filters, I guess, because same company, same quality. But these are nice. Once again, you get the same packaging, all of the items again. But the Mini 3 ones, I think, are very nice because you can see the way that they clip on are the same way that the Air 2 and the rest of the items are going to clip on. So they physically, you remove the previous one by press fitting it and then twisting it. So essentially you'll be pushing it into the actual camera and then doing a little bit of a twist to make sure that it stays on. So this is a very, very cool way of putting it on, because you don't have even a crash or something like that. It's not really going to pop off. Very nice, as you can see, the way that they put it on, it's just a little snug fit and it pops up and it just stays over there. So really, really cool. You can see also the ND1000's got its own little space at the bottom there. I think that's a very cool touch from Freewell. But just go back to the Avatar ones. Just take one of them out so you can see. They are a different fit. So physically, they are going to clip over the camera itself. So when you guys do that, make sure that you try, if you do touch the outside, that's obviously fine, but you can see I've touched the inside. So you're going to have to use that microfiber cloth and keep the inside clear. But what's going to happen with this one, it's physically going to clip over the camera of the Avatar, and it's going to have a little satisfactory little click when it goes over. So it's a press fit essentially. It doesn't just push and twist to have a locking mechanism on it. Physically has to clip over the lens itself. So I will be showing you guys how to put it onto my Avatar in the next video, but in this case I'm just going to show you guys how it looks like. In this case, this is a very nice little kit that you guys have over here, and we can put them on the Avatar a bit later and take them for a test. Just want to say thank you guys very much, Freewell. This is a fantastic little gift you guys sent me. I'm going to do my best to take them through its paces and make sure that the guys watching my video will know exactly what to use these for and what the quality thereof is, because I really do feel that they are underrated. Everything, all drones, or actually every camera should have ND filters these days, especially if you're working with video, because remember, you want to have that 180-degree rule, get as close to double your shutter speed. So if your frame rate is, double your frame rate. So if your frame rate is 30 frames a second, then you want to have your shutter speed as close to 60 frames a second as you possibly can to get the best motion blur out of it. So with this is going to really help out on those really bright days. So thank you very much, Freewell. Really appreciate it. For the guys that are interested in these, there will be links in the description below. Please know that they are affiliate links. So if you guys make any purchase there, I do get a small commission. It really does help out the channel. But also remember, when you click on those links, you don't have to buy this. You can buy anything on the shops, and it will still work out for me for a little bit of a commission. But with that said, this is not just for the Mini 3 and the Avatar. Remember, Freewell makes filters for all the other drones out there, especially if you've got a Mavic 3, Mavic 2, Air 2S. They make some of the highest quality filters out there. And if I think of top-notch filters out there, I can only really think about Freewell and maybe Polar Pro. But all the other ones, I think PGY Tech's also making some decent ones these days, but the cream of the crop's always been Freewell and Polar Pro. And these are definitely going to be some of the highest quality ones you can get. So remember, it's the quality of the glass that you're looking for. So if you're going for cheap ND filters, then you're going to have poor image quality. So it's incredibly important that you guys go for high quality glass, and Freewell has been known to do that for a very, very long time. So once again, thank you very much, Freewell. I really do appreciate this.